Hi students, welcome to today's class. Today also I am going to explain previous year JEE mains questions with solutions, and let us see today's first problem. The first problem is, if m is the slope of a common tangent to the curves x square by 16 plus y square by 9 is equal to 1 and x square plus y square is equal to 12, then 12m square is equal to, right. So, here it is given that it is an ellipse and it is a circle. Ellipse and a circle, there is a common tangent whose slope is m. Okay, na? Right. So, no need of any diagrams, but to solve this problem, you should know fundamental concept. The first concept is, if the ellipse equation is x square by y square, x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1, here a greater than b, then the equation of the tangent will be y is equal to mx plus or minus c square is equal to a square m square plus b square. Therefore, c is equal to root of a square m square plus b square, whose slope is m. Like that we can take. If the equation of the circle is x square plus y square is equal to r square, then equation of the tangent is y is equal to mx plus or minus r times root of 1 plus m square. So, these are the conditions for the tangents. So, here y is equal to mx, there also y here c is equal to root of a square m square plus b square, there c is equal to r times root of m square plus. So, if you know these two concepts, the problem is very easy. So, let us take the first tangent here. So, y is equal to mx plus or minus root of a square means 16 m square plus b square means 9, call it as equation number 1. So, now next second equation mx plus or minus, so here tangent to the circle. So, y is equal to mx plus minus, r means how much here, r square is 12. So, x square plus y square is equal to r square. R square is 12, therefore, r is equal to root 12. Root 12 into root of 1 plus m square, call it as second equation. Okay. Now, we want the value of m, actually 12m square, but basically we want m. For that, what shall we do? So, let us solve these two equations. If you bring y minus mx here, y minus mx, this is also y minus mx, then we can equate these two. So, that means root of 16m square plus 9 is equal to root 12 into root of 1 plus m square. Squaring on both sides, so we will get 16m square plus 9 is equal to 12 into 1 plus m square. So, this is equal to 16m square plus 9 is equal to 12 plus 12m square. So, bring this 16m square minus 12m square. So, this is equal to 4m square is equal to 12 minus 9, this is a 3. We want 12m square. So, we want 12m square means multiply with 3 on both sides. That is equal to 12m square is equal to 9. Therefore, your 12m square value is 9. Option B is your correct answer. Very easy problem. The only thing is you have to know these two concepts. Okay. So, tangent conditions, these are the tangent conditions. If you know the tangent conditions, the problem is very, very easy. So, this is asked in June 2026, 2022 JEE mains examination. Okay. I hope that you understand this solution. Let us go for next problem. Welcome to second problem. So, here first read the problem carefully. The locus of the midpoint of the line segment joining the point 4, 3 and the points on the ellipse x square plus 2y square is equal to 4 is an ellipse with eccentricity. So, first of all, there is an ellipse. First, let us see the ellipse here. So, this is a x square and x axis and y axis. First, see the ellipse equation solution. x square plus 2y square is equal to 4. So, this implies x square by 4 plus y square by 2 is equal to 1. So, here a square is greater than b square. So, therefore, it is an horizontal ellipse with the center 0, 0. Very nice. Now, there is another point 4, 3 somewhere here 4, 3. 4, 3 is a point. From that point, he joined the locus of the midpoints of the line segment joining the point 4, 3 and the points on the ellipse. So, here there are some points are there, he joined all, some points are there, he joined. Midpoints will be there, midpoint. So, this is a midpoint and it is a midpoint, it is a midpoint, it is a midpoint. If we will proceed the problem like this. So, here this 4, 3 is a fixed point, but another end of the line segment lies on the circumference of the ellipse. That is why we will take the general point on the ellipse. So, what is the general point on the ellipse is equal to a cos theta comma b sin theta. Okay. So, that is a general point on the ellipse. So, this is nothing but, so this is equal to what is your a? A value is 2. So, that is equal to 2 cos theta comma, what is your b? B square is equal to 2. So, therefore, b is equal to root 2 sin theta. So, therefore, 2 cos theta comma root 2 sin theta. Okay now. So, these are the endpoints. So, one endpoint is 4, 3, another endpoint is 2 cos theta comma root 2 sin theta. Now, let the midpoint be h comma k, that is the locus. The midpoint is h comma k. Therefore, h comma k is equal to, what is the midpoint of these 2 points? What is the midpoint of this line segment joining these 2 points? x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. That means 2 cos theta plus 4 by 2 comma root 2 sin theta plus 3 by 2. Okay, now our aim is to remove this cos theta and sin theta. So, this is equal to h is equal to, so we can take 2 common and cancel this here. So, this is equal to cos theta plus 2, k is equal to root 2 sin theta plus 3 by 2. Okay, now. So, there are, we got a 2 equation in cos theta and sin theta. So, we will eliminate it. So, then how to eliminate here? So, write cos theta as a subject, here also sin theta as a subject. So, this is equal to h minus 2 is equal to cos theta. So, this is equal to 2k minus 3 by root 2 is equal to sin theta. So, we got cos theta and sin theta, squaring and adding cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. So, this is equal to, so we will get here h minus 2 whole square. So, this is equal to 2k minus 3 by root 2 whole square is equal to 1. So, that is the equation of the locus of that curve. So, in place of h and k, generally we replace with x and y. So, this is equal to x minus 2 whole square plus, so here I will take 2 common outside. So, that if it will become 4 into y minus 3 by 2 whole square by 2 is equal to 1. Okay, now. So, again one more step I will write down. So, this is equal to x minus 2 whole square by 1 plus 2 1s are 2 2s are cancel, y minus 3 by 2 whole square by 1 by 2 is equal to 1. So, this is of the form x minus h whole square by a square plus y minus k whole square by b square. So, your a square value is equal to 1 and b square value is equal to 1 by 2. So, here a square is greater than b square and so therefore, your eccentricity is E is equal to under square root of 1 minus b square, that is 1 by 2 by 1, that is equal to square root of 1 by 2, that is square root of 1 minus b square by a square. So, 1 by 2 by 1, that is 1 minus 1 by 2. So, that is a 1 by 2, this is a 1 by root 2. Therefore, option C is your right answer. Okay. So, very easy problem. The only thing here is taking a general point on the ellipse in the form a cos theta comma b sin theta, afterwards let the midpoint of the locus is h comma k. Okay, now midpoint of this line segments be h comma k. If you take that, the remaining problem is a very, very easy problem this is. So, I hope that you understand this solution. So, let us go for next problem. Welcome to this problem. So, this is one of the somewhat typical problems, but very easy problem only calculation part is required here. So, let us see the problem. If two tangents drawn from a point alpha comma beta lying on the ellipse 25x square plus 4y square is equal to 1 to the parabola y square is equal to 4x such that the slope of one tangent is 4 times the other, then the value of 10 alpha plus 5 whole square plus 16 beta square plus 50 whole square is equal to. On the whole, here there is an ellipse is there. So, I am drawing a small diagram. So, there is an ellipse. The equation of the ellipse is 25x square plus 4y square is equal to 1. From a point on the ellipse. So, there is a point on this ellipse P alpha comma beta. So, he drawn a two tangents. So, P alpha comma beta is a point on this ellipse 25x square plus 4y square is equal to 1. From the point P, he drawn two tangents. So, there are two tangents to the parabola. What is the parabola? So, y square is equal to 4x. So, this is equal to y square is equal to 4x. He has drawn two tangents such that the slope of the one of the tangents is 4 times the other tangent. So, the slope of one of the tangent is 4 times the other. That means, its slope of the one tangent is m, the slope of the other tangent is 4m. So, this is the situation. So, once again I am telling, there is an ellipse whose equation is 25x square plus 4y square is equal to 1. From a point on the ellipse that also given alpha comma beta, he has drawn two tangents to the parabola y square is equal to 4x such that the slope of one tangent is 4 times the other. Then he is asked to find out 10 alpha plus 5 whole square plus 16 beta square plus 50 whole square. So, our problem lies finding the value of alpha and beta. Then how to proceed? How to proceed with this problem? The first thing is, this point P alpha comma beta lies on the ellipse. Okay, na? So, immediately we will get one equation. So, 25 alpha square plus 4 beta square is equal to 1. So, let us put it in the box. So, we got a relation in alpha and beta. Okay. So, let us find another relation in alpha and beta. So, if you find out, the problem is over. Now, how to get it? Now, I will make use of this hint. What is the hint is, from the point alpha comma beta, we have drawn a tangent. So, let the equation of this tangent is, so here you see here y square is equal to 4x, 4ax, therefore, a is equal to 1. So, what is the equation of the tangent? So, equation of tangent is equal to y is equal to mx plus or minus, y is equal to mx plus or minus, c is nothing but a by m. A value is 1, m value is m. C is equal to a by m, condition is there. So, 1 by m. If you observe here, so this equation also passes through the point alpha and beta. The tangent is also from, we are drawing tangent from alpha and beta, no. So, the tangent passes through the point alpha comma beta. Therefore, this is equal to beta is equal to, in place of alpha m plus or minus 1 by m. Okay, now. Let us cross multiply this. We will get this cross multiply, we will get multiply with m beta, therefore, m square alpha. So, this is plus or minus 1. So, this is equal to alpha m square. So, here alpha m square, take to that side minus beta m. So, here plus or minus 1 is equal to 0. Here plus or minus 1, you can take c is equal to a by m, that is all, no plus or minus. no plus or minus, only a by m. C is equal to a by m, so no plus or minus here. Okay, very nice. So this is equal to alpha m square. So take this b into m plus 1 is equal to 0. So this is a quadratic equation in the variable m. So here it has two roots. So that is one is called it as m1 and 4m. Why? Because the slope of this here given, the slope of one tangent is m and the tangent is 4m. The slopes are m and 4m. So let us do this first one, sum of the slopes, sum of the pros. M plus 4m is equal to how much? 5m is equal to, sum of the slopes is equal to minus b by a, that means beta by alpha, beta by alpha. Next one, product of the slopes, m into 4m, that is equal to 4m square, is equal to c by a, 1 by alpha. So that is equal to 1 by alpha we got. So very nice, we got this 4m square is equal to 1 by alpha, 5m is equal to beta by alpha. So let us in place of m, so that is equal to 4. Let us get one more relation between alpha and beta. So in place of m, substitute beta by 5 alpha whole square, that is equal to 1 by alpha. So in place of m, I have substitute beta by 5 alpha. Already whole square is there. So this is equal to 4 beta square by 4 beta square by. So this is equal to how much? 25 alpha square. This is 1 by alpha. 25 alpha square. So we can cancel alpha. Why? Because alpha cannot be equal to 0. Alpha cannot be equal to 0 because if you put 0 here, it x cannot be 0. So we can take alpha can be cancelled. So this is equal to 4 beta square is equal to 25 alpha. So 4 beta square is equal to 25 alpha. So here 4 beta square is equal to 25 alpha. We will substitute here. So here 4 beta square is equal to 25 alpha. So we will get a quadratic equation, and let us see calculation part. Here also we want 16 beta square. So here 16 beta square. As we can get here 16 beta square value, we will substitute here, okay, and we will get 10 alpha plus 5 whole square. So let us calculate the remaining part. Here we forgot one more relation. So we got the sum of the roots, and we got this, and let us take the product of the roots. That is a product of the roots means 4 into m into 4m, that is equal to c by a, that is a 1 by alpha. So this is a 4m square is equal to 1 by alpha. So this is also one of the relation. Let us put it that 4m square is equal to 1 by alpha. Okay now. So let us put it like that. Let us wherever it is required, we will use that result also. Okay. Now take this equation. So that is equal to, now what are the problem? 10 alpha plus 5 whole square plus 16 beta square. So we can write down that is a 4 into 4 beta square plus 50 whole square. Okay now? Right. So this is equal to 10 alpha plus 5 whole square plus 4 into 4 beta square value is 25 alpha. So I can directly write down 4 beta square is 25 alpha, already 4 is there, 100 alpha plus 50 whole square. So this is 10 alpha plus 5 whole square, this is 100 alpha plus 5 whole square. Now let us use this, let us take this, here you can take 5 common outside. If you take 5 common outside, so this is again square is there, 5 square 25 will be there. So this is a 25. If you take the here 2 alpha plus 1 whole square. Here you can take, here also you can take here 5 only you take, so that here 25 came no. So if you take 5 common outside, so what remains here? So let us take 50 common outside. Let us take 50 common outside. So this is a 2500. So this is a 2 alpha plus 1 whole square. Very nice. So take 50 common outside. So this is again 2 alpha plus 1 whole square, 2 alpha plus 1 whole square. Let us take 2 alpha plus 1 whole square common outside. So this is equal to 25 plus 2500. So this is a 2525. So this is equal to ultimate what you got 25 into 2 alpha plus 1 whole square. How much the value of 2 alpha plus 1 whole square? So how to get this 2 alpha plus 1 whole square means, see here in the equation, so where we will get from this 2 alpha plus 1. So let us see the one more calculation. So therefore sum of the slopes we have got and the product of the slopes we got. So where we will get this 2 alpha plus 1 whole square? Let us expand this. Let us expand this to 25 plus 25. This if you expand this, what you will get? So here 4 alpha square plus 4 alpha plus 1. Understand? So this is equal to 4 times 25 into 25, 4 times. This is alpha square plus alpha plus 1, 4 times. So this is a 25 into 25. So this is 4 times. Alpha square plus alpha value is equal to how much? See here, how to get alpha square plus alpha value means, let us observe these two relations. Here 25 alpha square plus 4 beta square is equal to 1. Again 4 beta square value is equal to 25 alpha, no? So from this you see here 25 alpha square plus 4 beta square value is 25 alpha. So 25 alpha is equal to 1, is equal to 1. So this is equal to, so this is equal to alpha square plus alpha is equal to 1 by 25. Alpha square plus alpha is equal to 1 by 25. So alpha square plus alpha is equal to 1 by 25 plus 1. So this is equal to 25 into, so 4 plus 25, 29 by 25. So if you calculate this, so 25 1 not 1 sir, so this is a 29. So your final answer is 2929. So here the thing is alpha square plus alpha we will get from these two relations. From these two relations we will get alpha square plus alpha value is 1 by 25. Very, very easy problem. So this is the first thing is I substituted alpha comma beta in the ellipse equation. Second one is y is equal to mx plus c is equal to a by m. From that condition, product sum of the slopes I have taken and passing through the alpha comma beta we will take in and we will proceed it in this manner. Okay. I hope that you understand this solution. Let us go for next problem. Dear students, welcome to this problem. The problem is, if let E be an ellipse whose axes are parallel to the coordinate axis. Very nice. Having its center at 3 comma minus 4, one focus is at 4 comma minus 4 and one vertex at 5 comma minus 4. What is observed here? Minus 4, minus 4, minus 4. All y coordinates are minus 4. Therefore, it is an horizontal ellipse. So let us draw the diagram. So this will be minus 4 means y coordinate is minus 4, x is positive means this ellipse will be in the here. Okay, so let us take this. So this is a center, this is a focus and it is a vertex. So before solving this problem, so you should know the distance between C and S. This is AE, the distance between C and S. S is equal to AE comma 0. So this is a AE comma 0. So distance between C and S is AE and the distance between center and the vertex is equal to A. So that is the thing you know. If you know that, so we will solve this problem. So it is given that first of all center is 3 comma minus 4, focus is 4 comma minus 4 and the vertex A is 5 comma minus 4. What is the distance between C and S? If you observe 3, 4, only one unit. Therefore, AE is equal to 1. Let us write the equation. Then the value of 5m square, we have to find out the value of m. mx minus y is a tangent to the ellipse. Okay, right. AE is equal to 1, right. Then what is the distance between C and A? That is equal to A. 3 to 5. 3 to 5, the distance is 2 units. Therefore, A is equal to 2. Therefore, E is equal to 1 by A, that is 1 by 2. So you got the eccentricity, you got A value, you got the distance, semi-major axis length is also you got. Let us find out the B value also. Therefore, B square is equal to A square into 1 minus E square. A square value is 4, 1 minus 1 by 4. So, this is equal to 4, 4 will cancel, 4 minus 1, 3. Therefore, B square value is 3. So, your B square value also we got. That means B value also we got. So, now what is the equation of the ellipse? So, what is the equation of the ellipse will be x minus h whole square by A square plus y minus k whole square by B square is equal to 1, where h and k is the center of the ellipse. So, here x minus h, center is what? 3 whole square by A square value is 4 plus y minus k. K value is how much? H comma k. K value minus 4. This is a plus 4 by B square. B square is equal to how much? 3 is equal to 1, of course, square here. So, ultimately, we got the equation of the ellipse as x minus 3 whole square by 4 plus y plus 4 whole square by 3 is equal to 1, where A square is equal to 3. So, now what we are going to do is, now let us find out the equation of the tangent. Okay, now? So, we will find out the equation of the tangent to this ellipse and we will compare with the given equation, we will get the m value. So, what is the equation of the tangent? So, here for example, if our ellipse is x square by A square plus y square by B square is equal to 1, the equation of the tangent is y is equal to mx plus or minus c square is equal to A square m square plus B square. So, root of A square m square plus B square. So, this is a equation of the tangent to the ellipse whose center is 0 comma 0, but here the center is 3 comma minus 4. Therefore, your equation of the tangent is, so wherever y is there, substitute y minus k, wherever x is there, substitute x minus h. So, therefore, this is equal to y minus k is equal to m into x minus h plus or minus, this is same, A square m square plus B square. You understand, catch this point. For this ellipse 0 comma 0, so this is a center h comma k. So, therefore, y minus, what is our k value? K value is here minus 4, but here plus 4, minus 4. So, this is will already minus 4 means here it will become plus 4 m into x minus h is equal to how much? 3 plus or minus root of A square value is equal to how much? 4 m square we do not know plus B square value is equal to 3. So, this is the equation we got. So, we have to equation of the tangent we got. So, we want to compare this with the given equation. So, we will get the equation. Then how to compare with me? See here, the given equation of the tangent is this. So, this is equal to, put like this, mx minus y minus 4 is equal to 0. I put it in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, general form. So, here x coefficient is m. So, here also what is your x coefficient here? Here x coefficient and here minus 4 also there, here minus y is also there. Then how to do this problem is, so both equations, that means this and this both represents the same equation, then we will have a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. Therefore, we will like this, we will do like this, y plus 4 is equal to mx minus 3m. So, we will take plus or minus, we will take one tangent, no problem. So, plus root of 4m square plus 3. Okay, now, so let us write it in the form as to take y plus 4 is also that side. So this is equal to mx, take plus y to right side, minus y, minus y. So 4 is also constant that side, so that is equal to minus 3m plus root of 4m square plus 3 plus 4 that side minus 4. So minus 4 is equal to 0. Okay. So this is equal to, this is mx minus y, this is also mx minus y. In place of minus 4, this quantity is there. That means minus 4 is equal to minus 3m plus root of 4m square plus 3 minus 4. Okay now? Right, comparing both the quantities. Constants I compared. So minus 4 will get cancelled. Bring this 3m to this side and squaring on both sides, you will get 9m square is equal to 4m square plus 3. Bring that 4m square also this side, so this will become 5m square. 5m square is equal to 3. He is asked 5m square value only. 5m square value is 3. So this is a numerical type answer value type of problem. 5m square 3. So very, very easy problem. So from this what you have to observe is, the equation of the tangent is y is equal to mx. This, for this type of ellipse, in place of x substitute x minus h, in place of y substitute y minus k. I got the equation of the tangent with the patiently, so I wrote this in the form of ax plus by plus c. Already it is also ax plus by plus c. So I compared the constant terms. I got automatically, luckily I got 5m square value I got. I hope that you understand this solution. With some more problems, tomorrow's class I will stand before you. Until then, all the best.